Hi, hello. Welcome to the vlog. I'm starting a vlog today. I have just finished making this makeup. Wedding makeup. I'm going to be filming a casual for lookbook ideas today. Then I will be also cooking, which means we will be cooking together. Then I will have to go to grocery. It's going to be pretty much a simple but busy day today. So I thought I'll be filming casual outfit and also vlogging. So yeah, I'm starting the vlog here. Welcome to the vlog. Let's get started. Hi, hello. I just finished filming casual outfit ideas for lookbook video to better explain. Anyways, I'm literally just starving, so I will make myself a yogurt bowl first to feed my hunger. And then I will make broccoli rice with an omelette. Okay, it's so dark, isn't it? We are back from groceries. I had no idea that I will end up buying this much of stuffs. But anyways, they are quite required, and as you can tell, I don't have food bowl, so I didn't even got mangoes. But other than that, I have picked up quite some different fruits. So let's just make the haul. It's not that I needed to buy them all today. I them tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I just wanted to make myself ahead of time, which is why I shopped everything today. So yeah, let's just make the haul. I feel really tired and exhausted, so let me quickly make you haul and then I will go take shower. They are already falling. I don't know if you can see because I have quite some juice bottles, so let me start with them. Couple of juice bottles, mango juice. Let me pull it at the front side. Guava juice. I really love the guava one more than mango, but I love mango also. I tried lychees and strawberries also, but most of the times I like picking up mango and guava because they are my favorite drinks. So I have picked up quite lots of bottles, like as you can tell, 4 bottles. That was not necessary, but I had to buy either way, so why not today, just to make myself ahead of time, that so that I don't need to go shop groceries quite frequently. Next we have here in this bag from local store some potato and ginger, some ginger and garlics. Then we have some tomatoes. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, I wanted to buy tiny tomatoes, but I didn't get them, so had to buy these tomatoes. They are quite tiny, but not that baby tomatoes or cherry tomatoes kind of. I wanted to buy them because of I had a thing for breakfast. Anyways, I didn't get them. Then we have some cucumber, and that is it for Whole Foods, because I have quite good collection of whole foods other than this potato, ginger, garlic. Anyways, let's start this bag because this is the gigantic one. Okay, so starting this bag off, with this. I finished my dark chocolate, so I had to grab another one, and they have increased price. And everyone is increasing their prices, so things are different now. Everything is expensive, so even these brands also has increased their price. Next, I have pure milk Amul cheese. These are cheese cube in cube format. We have fruits. Some are one packet of just free green kiwi fruit. Kiwi, I have not yet tried them this year. This is the first time I'm buying kiwi this year. Bananas, I didn't get mango, so randomly just picked them up. One avocado. Well, this one. Avocados are really expensive, so I just got myself one. Next, we have some croissants for breakfast. Then is herb garlic cheesy loaf. If you have been watching me for a while now, then you may know about this bread. We have some crackers for tea time. Okay, next we have some snacks for the evening or just randomly snack on them. And then we have some pastas. So that is pretty much everything I have got today for this haul, and I think these are quite enough foods for me for this week. Okay, so that's the haul. I really feel exhausted, and I feel like I need to take shower to feel good and freshen up. I'm really exhausted to continue this vlog, so I'm ending the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and like the haul or everything I just shared. Please be sure thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and yep, I will catch you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.